Okay, so in this video, I want to teach you how to solve questions on trigonometry, which is the most famous topic in mathematics paper 2 when you're looking at Cambridge examinations as well as Examinations Council of Zambia, ECZ. Okay, so the question reads, MT and R are food reserve agents maize buying points in a given district. T is 32 kilometers from M on a bearing of 060 degrees, and R is 27 kilometers from M on a bearing of 130 degrees as shown in the diagram below. So this is what they're talking about. Okay, and then the question says calculate angle RMT. It's RMT. But now, if you look at this question, just to draw this on a piece of paper, it's just like this. Okay, so if you look at this question, they are saying from here up to here, it is 130 degrees. Then from here up to here, it is this one here, it is 60 degrees. Then what is the angle here? It's like we are saying how to solve this one, because we have 130 degrees. It should be minus now 60 degrees, and the answer is 70 degrees, just like that, meaning you found the answer for here. And the next question says calculate the area of MTR, the area of this triangle here. How can you do it? Okay, so it is actually very simple, because it looks like this one. The fact that we haven't been given the height, so in the other trigonometric video, I explained why HE is equal to A sine C. Okay, sine C, the C is supposed to be bigger like that. I explained where this thing is coming from. In case you haven't watched the video, I think you are free to go through my videos and then you'll be able to see that video. So in trigonometry, there's a formula which looks like this, because we know the area of a triangle is like this. But in an event like this one, where we haven't been given the height, so now our HE becomes this one, meaning I'm sure you have seen something like this in textbooks. So what it is sine C, it is this, it is the angle that you are looking at. So in this case, it is 70 degrees from question 1 there that we solved. And then our beat is the base, it is this one, which is 27. And then our A, it is 32. So meaning your area will be 1 over 2 times A, which is 32 there, 32 kilometers, times 27 times sine 70. When you punch this in your calculator, what you get is actually 405.947. Don't forget to put kilometer and squared, because we are looking at the area. This is the area of this triangle you've been given here. And the next question says calculate RT, which is this one, RT to the nearest kilometer, Okay, so now if you look at the number of marks that this one has been assigned, it's actually 5 marks. You see there? If you see something like this, where you've been given 2 sides and 1 angle, because we already know the angle here, which is 70, just know you are using a formula known as cosine rule. Now, let me teach you more about the cosine rule. Now, because we know our triangle now looks like this, and then a cosine rule states that A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2, and the multiplication of B and C, which is BC, and it should come like this, cos A now, cos this one, and it should be in capital letter, just like that. These small letters you are seeing here, they are for sides, and the capital ones are for angles. Okay, so if you look at this diagram here, it is the same diagram you see right here. And then what you have there is the fact that because we are looking for this side, so it is m squared is equal to these ones, the other sides, we are going to have r squared plus t squared minus 2r times t and cos m. We know because we are looking for RT, which is just m here, so it will be m squared minus r. This r here will be this r here, which is 32 according to the given diagram, squared plus, or let me not be putting even the sign, the units. 27 squared, 7 squared minus 2 r, it is 32, you put 32 there, and t, it is 27, and cos 70, cos m here, or here it is 70. What you get there, it's m squared is equal to 32 squared. What you get there is 1,700. I mean, it's 1,024. If you square 27, what you get there is 729 minus, if you multiply these ones here, what you get is 1,728, and cos 70 will remain there. And then what you have here is, when you add these ones, you have 1,753 minus, when you punch this one on a calculator, what you get is 591.0108. If I round this off, this will give me a 1. And then when I do this, what I get is 1,161.989. This is m squared, but we want to remain with m, meaning our m is, you are taking the square root of both sides, and what you have is 34.0879, and it goes like that. That simply means your final answer is 34.09 kilometers. But since they are sent to the nearest kilometer, meaning you just put your answer as 34 km, and this is your final answer. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I just hope that it has helped you in one way or the other. Thank you for watching.